Hi, and welcome to a new video from Travelicious 360. Today we're taking you on an epic journey to the land of the long white cloud, New Zealand. On vacation to one of the most beautiful destinations on Earth? A trip to New Zealand is natural wonders filled and an abundance of flora and fauna awaits you. Get ready to witness some of the most inspiring natural wonders and experience the unique Kiwi culture. If you are a nature lover and would like to know everything about special places in the world, you enjoy watching beautiful landscapes, or perhaps you are a real traveler looking for your next travel destination, then don't forget to subscribe on our channel. Let's get started. New Zealand is a country located in the southwestern Pacific Ocean. It consists of two main islands, the North Island and the South Island. The country is an island, and rather long and slender. As a result, you're never more than an hour or two from the sea, no matter where you choose to travel in New Zealand. You could be skiing in the Southern Alps and splashing in the ocean in the same day. Some travelers choose to only travel the South Island, but this is a real shame, because nature on the North Island is also breathtaking. The North Island offers a very varied nature. You will find giant trees, steaming volcanic areas with geysers and mud pools, white sandy beaches and beautiful hiking areas. The northwest of New Zealand's North Island is formed by an elongated peninsula. Nature dominates in this area. You drive through lush rainforests, a wide variety of ferns, mosses and green vegetation. At the very tip of the north, you can visit Cape Reinga and the nearby idyllic 90-mile beach. The Bay of Islands is considered one of the most beautiful areas of New Zealand. Boats are lovely on the azure water between the islands, and there are many opportunities for sailing, diving, golfing and hiking. The central part of the North Island is very volcanic, and has numerous thermal springs. Between Rotorua and Taupo you can visit different volcanic areas. Stroll past boiling pools and bubbling mud baths. Be amazed by the beauty of spouting geysers and colorful sulfur lakes. Frying Pan Lake near Rotorua is the world's largest hot water spring. It reaches a temperature of 200 degrees Celsius at its deepest point. The area around Rotorua is actually the second largest geothermal area in the world, after Yellowstone National Park. The best time for a tour on the North Island is between the end of August and May. Spring starts in September, and it can already be pleasantly warm on the North Island. In October and November temperatures rise to 24 degrees Celsius. This is the greenest period. The nature on the South Island of New Zealand is very versatile. Endowed with idyllic golden beaches, the Abel Tasman National Park in the north of the island is completely different from the jagged coastline further south, where fierce waves crash against black rocks. The mountain passes in the south form a breathtaking view during a tour of the South Island bend after bend, and are among the most special sights of the South Island. There are many must-see highlights on the South Island, and many of them are located on the beautiful west coast. The northern part of this coast is characterized by rugged beaches and rocks, surrounded by bright green mountains. In the far north, the golden beaches of Abel Tasman National Park are a true paradise. On the endless sandy beaches, you can relax after walking or kayaking at sea. The southern part of New Zealand is formed by the fjord area, with steep mountains and colorful lakes. They are perhaps the lakes that will remain on your mind after your trip to New Zealand's South Island. One of the best things about visiting New Zealand is the chance to see beautiful wildlife and spot unique species in their natural habitats. There are quite a number of fascinating animals in New Zealand. New Zealand has a varied marine life and bird life, although many bird species that once lived on the islands are now extinct or threatened, and belong to the endangered species. The national animal and the national bird of New Zealand is the native Kiwi bird. This lovable, Flightless bird is so strongly associated with New Zealand that the term Kiwi is often used to refer to the native people of the country. The Kiwi is a bird, but is very heavy due to having bones filled with marrow, just like mammals. With their strong legs, they can run almost as fast as humans. We've come to the end of this virtual adventure. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more travel inspiration. Thanks for watching.